Welcome, seekers of the extraordinary and believers in the power of manifestation. Today, we're exploring the captivating realm of manifesting a specific person into your life. Whether it's reigniting past connections, sparking new ones, or manifesting that special someone you've been dreaming of, you're in the right place. So, are you ready to unlock the mysteries of attraction and turn your dreams into reality? Manifestation is an art and science rooted in the belief that our thoughts and emotions can shape our reality. The universe is woven from connections, each one reflecting our desires and dreams. To manifest a specific person, envision yourself as a co-creator with the universe, painting your life's canvas with the hues of love and connection. To start, clarity is key. Who do you wish to attract and why? Focus on the essence of this person, their qualities, the connection you envisage, and the emotions they stir in your soul. Focus on manifesting with respect and reverence for the universe's wisdom and the free will of all. It's about inviting a mutual connection that enriches both souls. Let's talk about visualization, a potent tool that turns your desires into reality. Picture yourself in a serene place, with the person you wish to manifest right there with you. Feel their presence, see their smile, and immerse yourself in the warmth of their company. This isn't just about visual imagery, it's about feeling with all your heart. Include this practice in your daily routine, especially before you drift to sleep, when the conscious and subconscious mind blur. Let these visualizations be your nightly whisper, painting dreams of love and connection. Emotional alignment is crucial in manifestation, acting like a magnet for your desires. When your emotions sync with what you wish to attract, you speak the universe's language of love and possibility. To manifest a specific person, immerse yourself in the joy and love you'd feel in their presence as if it's already your reality. And remember, it's not just about attracting a person, it's about becoming a beacon of love and joy, reflecting your highest self and drawing in those who mirror these vibrations. Affirmations are the soul's whispers, reinforcing your worthiness and desires. Phrases like "I am worthy of love" aren't just words. They're powerful mantras that embed your intentions into the universe. Repeat them with conviction, letting them nourish your belief and guide your path. Letting go is the ultimate act of trust in the manifestation process, stepping back and allowing the universe to lead the way. It's about releasing your attachment to outcomes, trusting in the cosmic flow. This surrender opens the door to miracles, aligning you with the universe's grand design, often exceeding our greatest dreams. Our exploration today illuminates the incredible power within us to manifest our deepest desires. The universe is a canvas awaiting our touch, ready to transform our dreams into reality. As we part, carry with you the belief in the magic of the universe and let your heart be open to the miracles that await. Thank you for joining us on this enchanting journey. If you're feeling inspired, remember to like, subscribe, and share your stories and insights. The universe is always listening, eager to reveal its treasures to those who dare to dream in love.